6024 70th Avenue, number 1 in Ridgewood is a fully renovated, full-floor, railroad-style apartment in the Ridgewood neighborhood of Queens. It's a fantastic apartment. You have a hall entrance, and in the hall, you have a bathroom to the left. The bathroom is really beautifully done. You've got marble countertops, hardwood vanity and mirror, mosaic tile on the floor to ceiling subway tiles, brand new fixtures everywhere. It's just really, really nicely done. Moving down the hall towards the kitchen, you'll see a small closet on the left, and this can be used as either a linen closet or a broom closet, possibly a pantry. A few items in there from the renovation, but this obviously will be empty when delivered. And the kitchen is really amazing. You have a full-size oven with gas range, integrated microwave with smoke hood. There's a dishwasher just to the right of the oven. Beautiful marble countertops, subway tile backsplash, deep sink with a gooseneck faucet fixture. Perfect for those who like to cook a lot and have large pots. These shelves above the sink area are great for storing your china or your glassware, or even cereal boxes and pantry items, but a great place to display kitchen items. You have a full-size double-door refrigerator with a freezer drawer. Above that, a little bit of additional storage space, and then on the other side, you have base cabinets and a pantry-style cabinet, as well as overhead cabinets that have under cabinet lighting. And this is my favorite feature in the entire kitchen living room area. This is a wonderful breakfast counter / dining room table. Marble, can easily seat 4, probably 5 people. You could probably squeeze in 6. It'd be a little bit tight, but easily fits 4 or 5, and it's a great breakfast counter, a great prep area, great dining room table, and it's open to the rest of the living space, so you can prepare food and entertain guests at the same time. This space can be used as either a living room or a dining room. You have 2 windows to the to the south, looking out into the backyard. And here, this view, you can see towards the rest of the apartment. Beautiful ceiling fan. One of the other details of this apartment that I really love are these French-style tinned ceilings. It's just really lovely detail that you don't see in many places anymore, and the owners very wisely held on to that. This is a view of the full apartment from the back towards the front. You see the kitchen on the right, and directly in front of you, that first room there is a formal dining room. This could be used as either a formal dining room, which is the design. You can see with the chandelier there. Could be used as a formal dining room. Could also be used as a bedroom or living room. Here's the other view. You have 2 closets in this space. It's a really, really great space. Moving forward, here where there's the other closet right behind the door. So 2 closets in this formal dining room / living space. Moving forward through the dining room in this railroad apartment, you'll see the smallest room in the apartment, which is this small office space or bedroom. This could be used as a child's room, or if there are no children, you could use this as an office space. It is relatively snug, but it's got great closet space. 2 double closets with overhead compartments as well. Just a nice little room, great to use as an office or a child's room. And then finally the other room, which is in the front of the house, has its own entrance, which you see on the right-hand side. We just passed by that. And this has a wonderful bay-style window with a bench and under-bench storage, which you see there. This looks out onto the street. This would be facing north. Good light. Radiator is beautifully covered with redone radiator covers. You have a nice chandelier fixture. Good size proportion to this room. And then looking back in the other direction towards the back of the house, you see that it has a double closet with overhead storage as well. And you see the full length of the apartment there through the door. And there is the private entrance. So when you enter the building, that entrance there is on your right-hand side, and the hallway entrance from the beginning of the video is directly in front of you. So they'll have two entrances to this apartment. It's just a really wonderfully renovated, full-floor railroad apartment in Ridgewood. There's a view outside the front windows. It's a very nice neighborhood street. And let's take a look at the neighborhood. So this is a shot down down the street. You see it's a very, very residential neighborhood. All very similar residential two-floor buildings. We're at the corner of 70th Avenue and 60th Lane. There's a laundromat right at the corner. Ridgewood itself is a very convenient neighborhood. You've got public transportation, plenty of bus lines on Fresh Pond Road, which is the main thoroughfare. Lots of restaurants of all different kinds. Just on this block you have Mexican, you have Chinese, you have Venezuelan, you have pizza. You've got banks nearby. The subway is very convenient to the home on the M line, the Fresh Pond Road station on the M line. Just a few short blocks from the apartment. Great convenient neighborhood, central to all, only a half hour from Midtown Manhattan, and just a really lovely residential area. Plenty of schools and things to do in the area.